Good morning, dear students. Today we shall continue with question number 6 of exercise 13.4. Let's read question number 6. The internal dimensions of a tank are 12 meter, 7 meter, and 5 meter. How much water can be filled in it? Okay. See, the tank is a cuboidal tank. Okay. So let's use the formula volume of cuboid to find it. Okay. Equals to length into breadth into height. Okay. See, length is given as 12, breadth is 7, and height is 5. Let's multiply this and write. Okay. 12 into 5 is 60. 60 into 7, 420. 420 cubic meter. Okay. This is the volume of cuboid. Now, how much water can be filled in it? See, here we have got 420 cubic meter. But the question is asking how much water can be filled in it. This is the volume of cuboid. If it is asking how much water can be filled in it, it means we know 1 cubic meter equals to 1000 liter. 1000 liter. So the capacity of the volume of this cuboid, or the capacity of water can be filled, would be multiplied by 420 into 1000. Okay, it means 420 into 1000 is 4,20,000 liter. Clear? But this part is not mentioned in the book, but the question is asking this only. And see at the back, this is the answer given. So what we can do, we will be doing up to this. Okay, you have to keep in mind 1 cubic meter equals to 1000 liter and multiply with like this. Okay, in your book the answer is given this, but the real answer is this. Okay, so don't worry about it. Therefore 4,20,000 liter water can be filled in the tank. Okay, now let's read question number 7. What is given? The question is asking to find the volume of cube. Okay, see here, the edge is given as 17 meter. Okay, 17 meter. Look at the solution. You know, volume of cube equals to side into side into side, or you can say that length into length into length, or side cube. Okay, so anything you can write. So here we have written side into side into side. Side is given as 17 into 17 into 17. Clear? Now multiply this and write the answer. See, after multiplying 17 into 17 into 17, we are getting the answer as 4913. cubic meter. So like this, you have to use the formula of volume of cube and find out your answer. Okay. Now next question is question number B. In this question also you have to use the same formula. 31 centimeter is given. Okay. Same formula will be used here. Volume of cube equals to side into side into side. Okay. Now here 31 into 31 into 31. Just multiply 31 3 times and write the answer. See, the answer is 29791 cubic centimeter. Clear? Like this, you have to use the formula and find out the answer. Do question number C by yourself. Okay. Now let's move to question number 8. Question number 8 is the internal edge of a cubical tank is 15 meter. See, the tank is cubical. Okay. Find its volume. See, here also you have to use the same formula, volume of cube, and find this answer. Okay. Use the formula of volume of cube and find the answer. Clear? Okay, let's do this question. Question number 8. Side into side into side. See here, what is the internal edge given here? 15 meter. So 15 into 15 into 15. Just multiply. Okay. Multiply and write the answer. See, after multiplying 15 into 15 into 15, we are getting 3375 cubic meter. Okay. So the volume of cube is 3375 cubic meter. Like this, we will find out the solution. Now look at question number 9. A water tank is 8 meter long, 5 meter wide and 3 meter deep. Find the capacity of the tank in liters if 1 cubic meter equals to 1000 liters. See, the same question is given here like we did in question number 6. Okay. Okay. So first of all, we'll find out the volume of tank. Volume of tank equals to length into breadth into height. Length is given as 8 meter, 5 meter and 3 meter. Okay. See here, in place of height, the tank, the deepness is given here. Okay. So multiply 8 5s are 40. 40 into 3 is 120 cubic meter. Clear? Now we know 1 cubic meter equals to 1000 liter. Okay. Therefore, capacity of tank capacity of tank equals to 120 into 1000 liter. Okay, so 120 into 1000 is 120,000, 1,20,000 liter. Clear? Like this you have to find the answer. Okay, in this exercise you need to remember all the formulas. Okay, you need to remember all the formulas. Now look at question number 10. A solid metal block is 25 centimeter long, 15 centimeter wide and 10 centimeter high. See, length, breadth and height is given. If it is cut into solid cubical blocks of the same size, find the number of cubical blocks if each side measures 5 centimeter. So first of all, see here in this question, a big cuboidal box is given and the question is asking how many small cubical box can be fit in it. So first of all, we'll find out the volume of cuboid and then volume of cube, and then we will divide both the volumes. Okay, so let's do it. Volume of metal block, solid metal block, equals to length into breadth into height. Clear? Length, breadth and height is given in this question. Okay, 25 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay, I have written centimeter here, so let me write it here also. Now just multiply 25 into 15 into 10. After multiplying 25 into 15 into 10, we are getting 3750 cubic centimeter. Okay, now we'll find out volume of cubical block. Equals to side into side into side. Okay, see here, side is given as 5 into 5 into 5. Clear? So 5 into 5 into 5 is 5 5 25, 25 5 125 cubic centimeter. Clear? Now the question is asking find the number of cubical blocks if each side measures 5 centimeter. Therefore, number of cubical blocks cut out equals to, this will be divided by this, 3750 divided by 125. See here, when we will divide 3750 by 125, we'll get 30. Okay, see here, you can do the division in the rough part and write this answer. Thus 30 blocks, in bracket you can write cubical, or you can write 30 cubical blocks can be cut out. Okay, like this you just try and understand all these questions and solve it like this. Okay, clear? So today we have completed exercise 13.4, and in the next class we will be starting next chapter, which is perspective view and net of 3D object, chapter number 14. Okay, thank you.